Okay, I'll do a quick review on Skillet Masters cheesy tuna. This is a Save-A-Lot brand. I got it at half price at user ends, 99 cents, but I got it at half price because it was damaged, I think, when they put it on the shelf. It's just something you buy at Save-A-Lot. Pretty easy to cook. Pretty easy to cook. All you gotta do is add a couple cans of tuna, a couple cups of milk, 1 2/3 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of margarine, and cook it in the skillet till it's done. It's something simple and quick to fix for dinner for you and your family. Let's see. Get 5 servings per box, 110 calories, 5 calories in fat, half gram total fat, 120 AU sodium, total carbohydrates 22, 1 dietary fiber, 1 sugar, 3 proteins. It's a pretty good old dinner. We cook it here every now and then. Something you throw together real quick and skillet and heat up. It's pretty cheap to fix. This tuna is $1 a box. This is $1 a box. Buy a couple of cans of tuna. Store brand, they're like 75, 80 cents if you buy Save-A-Lot. And a little bit of milk and water and butter. That's a pretty cheap little meal. Both me and my roommates and the kids all like it. It's pretty popular here at the house for a quick, easy dinner fix for us to eat at night. And it's a pretty good little meal. It's Save-A-Lot's a version of a hamburger tuna helper. It's a Save-A-Lot Skillet Masters cheesy tuna. You can buy it your nearest Save-A-Lot store.